Tommy, the owner of Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning, and I want to talk about the course that I offer. I want to clarify some things up for you guys and actually kind of let you know exactly what's in the curriculum. There are no tests, number one. All information, the course is forever. So it's not like you sign up, you go through the curriculum, and it's over, and you got to buy another course. No, it's forever. Also, I'm always adding more content. So keep checking back. So the course in the breakdown is basically your blueprint to building a successful business. Listen, guys, I know growing up, if you're a little older, you're thinking about doing this now, you, like I have tried many things, knew how to do it, but just didn't know how to build the business and just gave up on it. This is more than a carpet cleaning technical course. This is a course that's gonna guarantee your success as long as you do what's in the course. So, just buying the carpet cleaning equipment, okay, and knowing the process is not gonna make you successful, okay? That's about 25% of the battle. The 75% of the battle is building your business. That way it doesn't fail in the first 2 years like most businesses do, small businesses. There is a formula to success. In this course, I'm giving you a step-by-step process to when you go down and you get to course complete, your business is built, you have your business model. The business model is going to be targeting those middle upper class customers where the money is. Okay? I'm going to teach you the business model to where you're averaging between $200 to $300 a job. Each job's going to probably take you an hour to hour and a half, maybe two. Now think about that, guys. There's a lot of people that are working 8-hour days and not even making what you're going to be making in an hour and a half. It's sad, guys. And that's also what's inspired me to build this course so I can pass this on and let you guys know there is a light at the end of the tunnel. There are options out there. If you were like anything like I was growing up, anything I thought about doing, I immediately got discouraged on it because I thought I didn't have enough money, I didn't have the education, I didn't have the time. Well, all those doubts are eliminated in this course. If you're working full-time for somebody right now is the best time to take this course. Because if you follow the curriculum and you finish it all the way to where it says course complete, all right, you're gonna have your business built. And that could be between 3 to 6 months. I'm not saying it's gonna take you that long. It could take you a month and a half. It just depends on your work ethic, okay? Right? And once your business is built, you're gonna start doing jobs on the weekends. And you're gonna keep doing your jobs on the weekends until all of a sudden you're doing jobs on the weekends and maybe a job after work or 2 jobs after work. Guess what, guys? Only about 3 jobs, depending on what you're making, 2 jobs a week, 3 jobs a week is probably equal to what you're making now. I mean, yeah, there's probably people making some pretty good money out there, but think about it. Let's just break it down. Okay? When I work an hour and a half, my average is around $300. Okay, wouldn't you rather work an hour and a half than an 8-hour day for somebody else? Wouldn't you rather be building your own business than somebody else's business? Listen, I'm not the Mr. Sales guy, Mr. Internet, get rich quick guy. This takes a little bit of work. But with a blueprint right in front of you, all you gotta do is copy. It's possible, guys. It is possible. For the price I'm offering it right now, you can make that in 1 to 2 jobs. All right? I'm giving you everything I know, all the technical stuff you need to know to get started in this business. I'm sharing exactly what I do on an everyday to make that type of money. You can literally, in a year from now, year and a half from now, make $100,000. And it's only going to grow each year, guys. So don't wait. Don't keep your finger on that pause button. Stop saying, when I. Start now, okay? If you make the purchase of the course, that's going to push you to do what you need to do, okay? So keep watching my videos. I got hundreds of videos on there. They're ride-alongs all the time, so you know exactly what's going on every day, all right? Hope to see you on the other side.